This is the Monoprice Voxel, and we're gonna unbox it. Okay, let's do this. So I'm gonna do something weird. I'm gonna actually open it from the bottom, and you guys will see why, if it works. So this product came in not too long ago. It's a new product from Monoprice. It's one of the desktop 3D printer, small 3D printer enclosed. And the great thing about it is it also have a heated bed. Okay, oh, all right. So now I'm going to try to flip it. And just pull the box off. Awesome. Okay, first thing first, instruction manual. Stop, read this before unpacking your printer. Okay, we'll read this later. Okay, in it we have tools to access the printer, probably the print head. We have filament that comes with it. This is PLA, probably just your generic PLA, nothing fancy. Power supply, no, just a plug. And then the printer itself is wrapped in bubble wrap. There we go. Okay, so I am not a professional 3D printer maker, anything of that sort, but this isn't my first 3D printer either. I actually saw this online not too long ago, and it looks like it just came out on the market not too long ago. There's not much review, especially videos. I couldn't find any videos online, so I decided why not, I'll order it and I'll make the video and talk about it. This is just going to be an unboxing video. I'll do a more in-depth review on this, once I test it and let you guys know how it is compared to, the other popular 3D printer on the market, especially things like Flash Forge, Finder. But yeah, so this is how it looks like. It's enclosed, some kind of plexiglass. And it looks like the filament actually go on the inside. The hinge is right here, but everything's taped down. Let's see, let's go ahead and cut everything open. And again, I'm not a professional 3D maker, printer, user, anything like that, so I'm just going to review it as a regular person that is interested in 3D printing and kind of just document, all the stuff that I go through, what I've learned, what I wish I'd known ahead of time. But all that will probably be in a separate video. Oh my goodness. They really take this. Okay. Looks like the door is enclosed with this as well. Go. So you just kind of have to wiggle this out. There you go. And where's the bed? Is the bed in here? Oh, perfect. So it does come with a heated bed. This will, however, be my first printer with a heated bed. Previously, if I've only been printing with PLA, but now I'll be able to print with ABS and kind of see how that works and what's the difference between PLA and ABS, for your average consumer printer. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the Monoprice Voxel, and I'll follow you guys up with a review shortly. Thank you for watching.